Welcome to Flickr Brains. Let's log into the Google AdSense account. So I'll show you guys the updates on our account so far this month. Okay, so you can see on the screen, this is our live AdSense dashboard, and you can see from yourself, you can see what we have done so far on the account, and you can see the balance, what was balanced on this account for this month. You can see $37,000 was balanced on the account this month, and you know that we've been working on this account for a long time this year. If you're new on this account, on this channel, you know we're working on this account. I'll show you guys. Let me show you guys on the payment. You can see that from the payment page. I'll show you guys that for a month, well, even last month, you can see from here, you can see below here, you can see on November 21st, that is last month, we received payments from this account, $33,000. In fact, every month since this year, we'll be receiving payment on the account, even see October. So this is a very strong account, I've been working for a long time, for a year. See it here, we'll be receiving payments. This account I've already been receiving payment from organic traffic for years back, before it dropped, and I started working on it through loading. Okay, and go to the home page. Okay, so from here you can even see what was made so far today on the account. You can see that we reached up to $1,000 on the account today. You can see 1,000, and this month so far we made roughly 2.5 on the account within the space of 3 days. You can see how fast and effective the method works. You can see from the performance, you can see our CPC. Our CPC is high. You can see the clicks. Let me refresh this because we're currently working on the account. Okay, nothing so far. Okay, so you can see how effective everything is. So this account is an old account, that's why I can load this amount of money. If you have an account that received payments, it has received a decent amount of payment that we can work on, bring that account, we'll partnership on that account, work on that account, and I'll load it, we'll share revenue. If you're also interested in learning this method, you're new on this page, or you're an old student, you can come back for an update. You're also interested in learning this method, click on the description box for more inquiries. Okay, so if you want us to work on your AdSense account, make sure the account you're bringing is a huge account that have received huge payments. We only work on accounts that have received huge payments before, so we can work massively and earn more. Okay, all right, everybody, safe loading out there. See you guys soon.